Okay, due to the time limit on the recorder, I'll begin part 2. I went ahead and finished the CMap to match the hand-drawn map that I had. I finished the remaining hierarchies and examples as well as the crosslink. I want to take a minute again to talk about the crosslink. Crosslinks link non-consecutive hierarchies. As you can see here, it links a level 1 to a level 7. And it includes a linking phrase and this denotation of CL to tell the reader that this is a crosslink. These link larger ideas, and for this map, my crosslink is that it's best applied is not overbaked. The other thing I want to show you on CMap is this here. If you run out of space on terms of your screen, you can minimize the left toolbar and reopen it when you need. The other trick I want to show you is if you click select all, it creates it puts the whole map into one piece so that you can move it around on the screen as needed. Let's say if you wanted to add information here, then you can move the map around as needed. And then click it again to just click anywhere in the field to get rid of the select all. Now it's time for us to color code and size shape delineation, which is what you're asked to do. I want to double click here and change this to perhaps a 20 to show the reader this is the level 1, the largest, biggest idea on the map. Move it around a little bit. And then your decreasing hierarchies will have decreasing font size. So for my level 2s, I might want to make that 18, since there are 2 of those. For my level 3s, there are several of those. I want to make those 16. So again, the reader's eye can see that these ideas are in decreasing decreasing level of hierarchies. Once you start doing this, then you may need to move stuff around once again so that you don't have overlapping shapes. But a reminder, you just grab stuff and move it so that it gives you the adequate space that you need. Level 3 and a level 3 here, 16. Alright. My level 4, again, this is about my apple, so let me move it here so it's clear. Level 4, I'm going to make 14s. No, undo, I didn't want to do that. So that was 12. This is 14. Level 4 over here is 14 as well. Level 5, I'll leave that at 12, and so on and so forth. Since I have so many levels, I can't go much smaller, but you can see the idea is getting progressively smaller as we go. The next thing you want to do is color coding. So to color code, let's say this first shape, you want to click on this toolbar and fill it. When you have a darker color like this, you should change the font, the text font, to white so that it will be more clearly seen. And now it's just a matter of selecting as you go the best colors you think that will make your map clearly legible in terms of the color coding. Again, remember when you use a dark color background, change the font color so that it can be legible. You know what, I'm going to go back and make these the same color that I did for my hand-drawn map. Obviously, you're free to change it as you go, but just for the sake of consistency, let me make them the same color I made them for the map. My level 3s were pink. On my hand-drawn map, so let me do the same thing here. As you can see, I just click on the menu bar to get the color that I want. The idea here is to show the reader that these ideas are all the same level, even from afar without reading the concept. So you want to make all the same hierarchy, the same color. Each hierarchy should be a different color, but the same as their same hierarchy. Level 3s are pink. Level 4 on my map was orange, so I'll make these orange. Oh, I don't want to do that. No fill. I want to use this one. Level 4. Orange. Undo. Level 4 orange. You have to make sure you're selected the shape that you want in order for it to just color that shape. Okay, level 4, level 4. On my map, level 5s were red. I'll do that. I'll change the font to white. Level 6s were purple, so I'll make them purple. Level 7s were blue. I didn't outline, I want to fill the whole shape. That's another way that you can use size, shape, and color delineation, is just to outline the shape. That's perfectly acceptable as well. I just personally prefer to color the whole shape. And then level 8 was a different blue, so I'll go with this one. Level 9 I had as black, so I'll change the text to white so you can read it. My examples I'm going to leave as the original color because I didn't have a color on my map to change those. Remember, they don't have an H level. So that's my map color coded. Now let me quickly show you how to take it to Word. I'm going to open my Word file new. This would be the template that you had with your title page, your parking lot, and then the third page that says Insert Map. So go back to CMap and you do Export to JPEG. You get an option down here to save it. So you want to I don't want to do that. Close that. I want to do Export to JPEG. Then you want to do Save As. Save it to your desktop. Procedural. CMap. This saves it as an image or a picture that you can then go to Word. I'm going to Word, pretend this is your template. Insert, picture, grab it from the desktop, Procedural CMap, double click, and it's there. The page layout for the template is landscape, so it'll come in as this size. Just grab the end and pull it to fill the page. Don't forget to edit the header of the document as well as to add your title. But as you can see, the map now closely resembles the hand-drawn map that I created, which is the intent of CMap, but in a much clearer fashion so that the reader can quickly identify like hierarchies no matter where they are on the map, as well as equal ideas in relation to the larger conceptual idea. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.